Ooh, really nice quality. You can tell this is not a mass manufactured product. Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well. For the first time in a long time, we have an accessory review for the reMarkable. As you're probably aware at the time of filming this and releasing it, there's not many accessories out for the Paper Pro yet because it's only been out about a month, other than the branded accessories, and they tend to be very expensive. So you want to look at other options. There's not much on Amazon right now. I think there's one or two cases, and in my opinion, they don't look too great quality. So I want to hold off on getting any Amazon cases. And your other option tends to be bespoke, maybe handcraft cases. I've come across this seller on Etsy, Voyage. I believe it's crafted in Europe, but I think it should be available in the States as well. I'll of course leave a link in the description, but they have really nice bespoke leather cases. The one I went for in particular is leather with a magnetic clasp and a flap that goes over to seal in your reMarkable as well. However, they do just sleeves as well, where you can just different types of cases, so go check them out. So let's get straight into it. Nicely packaged here, handmade with love, as it says there. I really like, before I do the big reveal, I've got quite a few different cases and sleeves for the reMarkable too. And as nice as sort of the mass manufactured ones can be, and they sort of have a lot of nice features about it, there's something special about getting the more handcrafted bespoke ones. So I do love a brown case. I do tend to use the brown folio on my reMarkable too, and so I wanted to get this colour to match for my Paper Pro. So there's the branding again, Voyage, and we should have a magnetic clasp there. Ooh, really nice quality. You can tell this is not a mass manufactured product. Just looking at all the details here and the stitching. So you could probably guess here you have a pocket for your pen, which we'll test it out in a moment. And then you have the main pouch for the reMarkable. And it is bespokely made exactly to the measurements of the device. Let me just close it. So sometimes you think, oh, they're just selling sort of a similar size for, you know, for everything, for an iPad or reMarkable. But it is made specifically for the reMarkable Paper Pro, as you can see there. Really nice fit. Let's pop it in. It slides in like a glove. Super nice. Then we'll pop our pen in here. It is lined with wool as well. Just get a snapshot of that. So again, it's not going to scratch your device. It's really nicely made. I know I keep saying that, but you just can't beat these custom made cases. And then we've got the clasp there. And I went for the option, let's see where it is. There you go. You can get a monogram of your initials or any other sort of letters you might want. I went for that option. It's nice to have. You can see the pen in there and the really nice brown colour here of the leather. Let me break out my reMarkable 2 type folio just for a colour comparison, perhaps slightly darker, but along a similar tone. You can tell I like my browns there. Whoop, knocked the camera over nearly. And what I will say as well is, with these sleeves or soft cases, you tend to think, oh, you know, it'll protect in your bag, it'll protect from scratches and scuffs, but it wouldn't protect it much from, you know, dropping. That tends to be what a hard case is for. Whereas actually, the device is sitting about here within the case, and the corners are really, with it being leather, they're really quite sturdy. So if I dropped this on its side, I would feel very confident that it would actually offer it quite a bit of protection as well, which I wasn't expecting. Don't get me wrong, if you have something in a case pushing into the middle of it, probably wouldn't provide that much protection, but from the sides, there's certainly some strong leather material there that'll keep it protected. Slide it out, and this is going to be great for me to use at work and to transport it to and from in my backpack. So I think I've covered everything off there. When I mentioned to the seller about the case and just asked a couple of questions about it, they did actually offer, because I mentioned I have this channel here with some people who are interested in reMarkable accessories, a discount code. I'll leave it in the description. I'm not sure exactly what it's going to be, perhaps like 20%, which makes some of the cases significantly cheaper than the reMarkable branded cases. And in my opinion, actually might be more suitable for some people and arguably nicer as well. Really quickly, I forgot to mention, they did send out, because they knew I would be sharing this with you guys, some of their other colour palettes or colourways that they have. So let me pull this up. So this is the brown, which you can see that I've opted for, but they also have a nice stony grey colour. And again, they've monogrammed them all just to show what it would look like. And then there's the more classic black option as well. So they do have different colours that you can get in all of their cases, their leather cases. So if any of those take your fancy, certainly just ask them. I'm sure they can do it for you. I believe they also do different colour monograms as well. That's the great thing about these small independent sellers. You can sort of ask for customizations and they can do it how you like. So just give them a message and they're really happy to sort of create things bespokely as you need it. And I did double check the shipping, and they ship to the States, Canada, Europe, express shipping. I got mine within 5 days, which I was really surprised at. I did not expect it to be that quick. So if you live in the States or Canada, you can get it equally as fast through FedEx delivery, which is nice when you're used to the speeds that Amazon provide. So yeah, hopefully those colours are useful in case it's something that you're interested in. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description with the discount code. I won't get anything back from it, but just in case you are interested, it'll save you a bit of money there. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.